What's up, guys? It's Viper from Sons of the Wild, and today I am doing a gear review on the Protocol 25-in-1 axe. Let's get started. Alright, so first thing you'll probably notice is the hatchet part. It has a little rubber sheath which works pretty well. Sometimes if you're using the hammer it might pop off, that's what I've noticed, but not often, so be wary of that. You notice on this one it has a couple scratches on it. I say a couple, but it has a lot. It has a couple scratches on it though, and that's just because I've been sharpening it and I suck at it. But it comes nice. It comes decently sharp. I'll show you the video now. That's the axe for you. Now you'll notice the pliers, so it has the small pliers, the like bolt pliers, and the wire cutters. It has the little lock right there, so you have to squeeze that pretty hard to release the lock. As I said, the small actual plier part, the bolts, and the wire cutters, use a wire. Let's cut it. So wire cutters aren't the best. As you can see, it takes me a little while to cut them. Oh, but you'll notice the little wrench. It's adjustable in size with the little screw thing, and it goes about 1.5 inches up, so you can get some of the bigger bolts, or what you would call them, nuts. And then in the back here you'll notice the hammer. But what's cool about this, so pops off. You want to be careful when you're using the hatchet part, because if you're hitting it hard enough, then the hammer or whatever's on the back could fly off. So what I've done now is just take that off, put it in my pocket, and then hatchet out the wood. But it's that part. And since that comes off, it has the other little parts to turn the nuts. So that just kind of gets pushed on like that, and then to there. And it has a can't really see it. Has 1/2 inch down to a 5/16. Then after that, you'll see the little, let me adjust the light. You'll see the little screws here. Kind of hard to pull out, but pull those out and they pop in there, the little magnet, and that pops on the back. So that's pretty cool. Next we have the serrated blade. It doesn't work that great at all, is what I found. But it may just be because I don't like serrations on blades, and I plan on making a video on why soon enough. And on the back, there's the metal nail file. So let's move on. Next, there's the bottle opener. You know, I really drink soda, so I have no idea how well this works. Then we have the saw. Works really great for a saw on a multi-tool. Probably the best one I've seen for a saw on a multi-tool. I think I have a video on it. Then here you have another Phillips head screwdriver, and the other one's on here, as you forgot. And then lastly, you have the knife, and the knife works pretty well. So other than the sheath for the hatchet part, there's the sheath for the whole thing in general. There's the part on this side for the attachments, and then the back, or not on the back, the big tool itself hooks in there, Velcro shut, and then on the back of the sheath thing, there's a spot for you to hook it onto your belt, and another spot for you to hook it onto some sort of bag or something. That's the Protocol 25-in-1 Axe multi-tool. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, all that stuff. And I will see you guys next time.